Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a new chapter, that is human reproduction. This is one of the most interesting as well as the cutest chapter. Now let me clear that why I am calling it the cutest chapter and the interesting one, because it will be showing you, we will be exploring the all the processes, the phases, the different activations in our body, okay, and all the other important aspects that helps to bring a new life on this earth. Okay, so we'll begin with what? Let's see what we are going to see today. We'll explore the characteristic feature which makes the humans different, that we are going to study a separate chapter on them, and we'll be discussing the phases of reproduction. These are the phases of reproduction, but before that there is a question. The question is just this one. No, which one? This one. This is my question, that what is the characteristic feature which makes the human different? The first one is, okay, I'm writing here only. Okay, sorry, let me write it here. The first one is they are unisexual. They are unisexual. They are unisexual. That means either the male or the female part is present, or female reproductive part is present in the organism. And the second one is they are sexually dimorphic. They are sexually dimorphic. Okay, now unisexual you know, isn't it? Unisexual you know about it, that okay, it is the presence of only one sex organs in the organism. Now, what does this term sexually dimorphic means? Before understanding what sexual dimorphic means, do you know what does this term mean? Morphic, where it has been originated from? It has originated from the word that we have already studied, that is morphology. What does morphology means? The outer study, the outer look. Okay, so from here we will be studying, see, the morphology, that is a morphic, sexual dimorphic, and di is used to denote that they are different, right? They are different from each other. So there are some organs, some accessory organs, you may say the secondary organs, which makes these humans different from each other. The main we can identify by the presence of their beards, mustaches, okay, and the women we can understand, we can distinguish them from men by the presence of the braids, okay, then the absence of the facial hair, this all. So we are going to see the next what's there for us. That's the phases of reproduction. The first phase is gametogenesis. Now gametogenesis, if we break this term, gametes, gameto, from the gameto we are getting gametes, genesis means generation, that is the generation of gametes. And if we are going to give the simplest definition of it, that is formation of, that is the formation of gametes. Formation of gametes, and it is of two types. First one is spermatogenesis. What does this mean? Tell. First one is spermatogenesis. Second one is oogenesis. Oogenesis. Now, spermatogenesis means the formation of sperms, okay, and oogenesis means the formation of ovums. Okay, the spermatogenesis occurs in male and oogenesis occurs in Pregnancy occurs in female. Right? We have seen the first step, the first phase, gametogenesis. What is insemination? Insemination is the transfer of male gametes to the female reproductive tract. This is what insemination means. So we have seen the second one also. The first one is the gametogenesis, formation of gametes. Then insemination, that is the transfer of the male gametes to the female reproductive tract. There's the fertilization, that is fusion of sperms, that is the male one, and this is the male one, and ovum, that is the female one, the female gametes, right? Now is the division and cleavage and blastulation. Now this means that cell division, basically the cell division which occurs. Okay, basically the cell division which occurs. So do you want to see the picture of blastulation? I will be showing you. See, here it is. These steps: the fertilized eggs, 3 days, 5 days. See, you can see this is the blastulation. Up till here you may consider it as the blastulation. Even this, all the blastulation processes will be taking place, but up till here you can say that this is the blastulation process. This is the blastulation. Okay, so I've seen the picture of blastulation. Now let's go back. Okay, now implantation, that is the attachment of the, let me call it the zygote, okay, to uterus walls. Attachment of the zygote to the uterus walls is the implantation. Next is the placentation, that is formation of placenta. Placentation means the formation of placenta. You can see again the picture if you want. I'll be showing you the picture again. See here the placenta is forming. See, the placenta is formed here, right? This is the placentation. Okay, this is, I'm writing here as P, that is placentation. Okay, fine. Now we'll go back again to our slides. We have seen placentation. Okay, yeah. Gastrulation, that is the formation of germ layers. You know the germ layers? I think you know it. The formation of germ layers. What are the germ layers that we have? We have studied in the plant, in the animal kingdom we have studied. Okay, that is the ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. So ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm are the 3 germ layers. Now organogenesis, again simple, just break it out, break the words. You will get formation of organs, generation of organs, formation of organs. Do you want to see it again? Let's go here again, and you can see that this is organogenesis. See, organs have now started. See, this is organogenesis. Yeah, this step will be continuing up till here, let me do it with red. So this step, this whole step, you can write, you can say this one, this whole step is organogenesis, organs. So I'm writing here organogenesis. Okay, I know my writing is very bad, please cope up with it. Okay, this is organogenesis, but you can understand from these pictures, no? Okay, let me just clear the ink. So we have seen that this from here to here, up to here, that is the, see, blastocyte is written up to here, this is the blastulation. Next from here, this is the placentation. These all are the organogenesis, the pictures of organogenesis. See, right? Okay, again I will be clearing so that there is no problem. Okay, now again here, parturition. Parturition is the most cutest moment. I think I've got what it is. Parturition. Parturition is the cutest moment and the most, I mean, parturition is the, you may say, the whole process of parturition, if you go through, that is the most painful, the most enjoyable moment for a mother. Do you know what it is? If you have guessed, then you're right. It's the delivery of the baby. The delivery of baby. That is the parturition. Yeah, I told you that is the painful moment because there is too much of pain. There will be too much pain in the back, in the stomach. There will be cramps and many other things will be there for this parturition. But still, it is the most enjoyable and the most proudful moment for a mother, right? Okay. So we have seen the 9 steps. So what are the 9 steps? Just recap once. Gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization, Gestation, implantation, placentation, Gestation, organogenesis, parturition. So we have completed the full process from the formation of gametes to the formation of the new life on the earth. Yeah, so this is the delivery of the baby, and if we are writing it, yeah, if I'm writing it in a scientific manner or in a definite manner, if we are defining it, so it is the expelling out of, by expelling out of baby from female body. Okay, this is what scientifically we give a small definition about it, but it's basically the delivery. For better understand, it's the delivery of the baby. So you're done with it. Now, gestation and gestation period. Yeah, we have heard this term. What does this mean? The steps 3 to 9. See, what are the steps 3 to 9? Let me write here the steps. Okay, I am writing here the phases. 3 to 9 is the gestation. What are the phases from 3 to 9? So, first, this is the first one, second one, this is the first. Okay, let me write it with another one. Let me take this color. This is the first one, this is the second one, this first one, second one, third one, fourth one, the fifth, sixth, the seventh, eighth, ninth. So I told you from third to ninth, right? So fertilization, blastulation, implantation, placentation, Gestation, organogenesis, and parturition. This is what gestation means. So did you get what it is? Yeah, it is the embryonic development. Embryonic development, right? Embryonic development. The process of embryonic development from the fertilization till the maturation or till the delivery of the baby is known as the gestation. And the time for embryonic development is known as the gestation period, and it is about, do you know the timing? It is about 280 days. 280 days in case of humans, which comes approximately to the 9 months. So we are done with it. Now we are going to see the stages of development, and you can have a look at this picture for the next 5 seconds. Just have a look at it. Okay, so we are done with it. So I'd like to conclude today's session here, but before that, let's see that what we are going to explore next. In the next video, we'll be seeing the male reproductive system. Especially, we'll be studying a bit more about the testes, a detailed study of testes. So, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.